And by using this exact strategy, you can get more than 50 followers per day on Instagram just using 5 minutes of your time. Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm here to show you how you can get more than 50 followers a day on your Instagram page just by working for only 5 minutes a day. You can do it when you are at the bathroom, you can do it on the bus, you can do it when you are in your work break, or you can do it at school. But by following this exact strategy, you will be sure to get at least 50 followers per day on your Instagram page. And today I want to give you a 4-step strategy that you can use, and you can do it if you have 100 subscribers, if you have 1000 subscribers, or if you are starting from zero. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you can use this strategy in order to grow and get followers on Instagram. And I have used this strategy for myself and for my other pages to grow from 0 to more than 10,000 followers all combined on all those pages. And this strategy is different because the algorithm, the platform is changing. Right now on Instagram is not working so good the hashtag game, because if you go back in time from 3-4 years ago, at that time when you post a video or a picture with hashtag, you will get instantly 100 likes just from hashtag. But today hashtags are not so powerful and you need to use different strategies and different techniques. Even the like for like game or even the engagement page are not the best way that you can use in order to get followers on Instagram, because those are more related to the old algorithm and not to the new one. But this new strategy that I want to give you today is made of 4 steps plus 1 bonus. And by doing that, you will be sure to get more than 50 followers per day on your Instagram page. So the step number 1 of the strategy is to have a niche, have a topic for your page, have something specific. For example, you love cars, okay, you have a car page, or maybe it's your personal profile, but you need to give a topic to your personal profile. For example, my personal page, it's about business. Another page of my friend, it's about fitness. They post what they eat, they post when they train and all those stuff. Another friend of mine, it's on traveling. It's their personal profile, but they post picture while they are traveling, while they are doing something in other countries and similar things. So make sure to have a niche, a topic for your own Instagram page. Then the step number 2 is to go on Instagram and find 10 famous pages in your niche. Let's say, for example, that you are a personal trainer or you are just into fitness and you are posting your meals, you're posting your workout, you're maybe giving out tips, or you are showing to people your results. Okay, right now you need to go on Instagram and find 10 famous pages or 10 famous influencers inside your niche. The more specific they are, the better it is. Let's say, for example, that you are in a fitness journey, and in this fitness journey you are vegan. Okay, find out vegan pages around fitness on Instagram and just write them down, save those names. Then once you have those 10 pages, you need to go to step number 3. That is very simple, but it's also very powerful. You need to go on the comment section of the most recent posts, and also on the old one you can do it, but go there and look for all the people that are commenting. First of all, leave a really great and valuable comment, so people will give likes to your comment and your comment will become the top comment. And if you have the top comment on Instagram, you can have a ton of visibility and a ton of people can find out your page and they can follow you, they can give you more likes, and they can ask you for tips, or maybe even they can become clients if you have a business. But back to the comments, you need to create a really valuable and great comment to post it whenever the post goes live. Let's say, for example, that the page post a video 3 seconds ago, okay, you need to go there, activate the notification for the post, and then comment with something valuable, something great, and then send the comment. And if you want to rank better and faster, just tell to other people, to your friends, to go and like that comment. But this is just half of the strategy. The other half is to go and scroll through the all comments that you see, and then help people to solve their problems inside fitness in comments of popular pages. Let's say, for example, that a person on vegan fitness page, they say, okay, I don't know what to eat for dinner. Someone have a receipt, or someone knows what is a good meal. Okay, you comment and you give them, for example, a meal idea or a really tiny meal plan. And then someone else tell, okay, I am doing a workout, but by doing this exercise my leg hurts. What can I do? And then you can tell them other exercises to do. Or maybe they simply ask, what are the 3 best foods for vegan people into fitness, and then you answer them and you help them. And by giving value, by expanding your knowledge to other people that are interested in the industry and they have a need, you simply help a ton of people, and those people, they will be grateful and they will check out your page, they will follow you, they will send you private messages, they will like and comment your post. And by doing that, you will be sure 100% to get at least 50 followers per day. And it's very quick. You can just simple comment 10 pages in 5 minutes and the game is done. And my little extra bonus tip that I have for you today is to have great and educational content on your page, because it's not enough to get people on your page. Because if you have 0 posts, or if you have bad images, if you have maybe bad posts, bad content, yes, the people will be grateful for the help, they will go on your page, but they will see a creepy and bad looking profile, they will go away, they will not follow you, they will not send you messages. So make sure to have great content and a high quality Instagram profile. And only if you have all those 5 steps, you can really create a momentum and grow on Instagram. But in order to take advantage the more that you can from Instagram, it's very important to post at the right time. And in this video right here, I show you exactly when is the best time to post on Instagram. I see you there.